Hi everyone, happy Thursday. So excited. Almost done with this week's work. It is Thursday, May 7th. I hope you guys are having a great day. This is this decision making slide 31. And it's similar to the ones that we've been doing. So our problem is you're running late for work. Our choice, number 1, take extra time to make sure you look fantastic. You are already running late, so what's 30 more minutes? Contact your boss to let him know, do not lie. Lie and call in sick. So our positives would be, your boss will not be worried about you. He might be a little upset, but not be mad. You have an extra day off. You will look fantastic at work because you took extra time this morning. Negative. You could get into a lot of trouble. You will not have enough time to get all your work done for the day. You won't make as much money because you didn't work. Could get you in trouble. You could get in trouble for lying. Nothing negative. So go ahead and put your positive outcomes in the top row, negative outcomes in the bottom. If you have any questions, log into mine or Miss S's chat and we will be happy to help you. Happy Thursday.